Hello, this is Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this one-bedroom apartment in Calle Pintor, Salvador. So here's the entrance to the apartment, and as you can see straight from the entrance we've got the access to both the living area here and the bedroom right here. The bathroom is in the end. So let's start here with the living area. There is a couch with a TV, the air conditioners right here, the fan, interior window is on this side. I'll show you. It's an interior patio, as you can see here. Okay. And we've got a table with 4 chairs, as well as this kitchen area right here, with the fridge right here, sink, here is the gas stove, and the storage area within all the spaces right here. Okay, so let's take a last look at the living area and move on to the bedroom. So as you can see, we've got a double bed with a lamp on each side of the bed and the wardrobe here with all this space. The decoration as well, painting and a fan over in the bed. Now here we've got a bathroom. Let me turn on the light. And as you can see, the toilet, sink with the mirror and a shower right here. Okay. And that will be it. Thank you very much. This is Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and see you next time.